Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix can't allow access to camera, microphone, photos, etc. on your Android device. So whenever you're trying to record a video or record some audio on your device through any apps, you get an error that says can't allow access. So in order to fix that, make sure to watch the video till the end and do not skip. Now without any further ado, let's proceed. First of all, you have to open the settings app on your device. Once you're on your settings page, now scroll down and look on privacy. So tap on privacy, you will see this interface. From here at the very top, you will see permission manager. So tap on permission. If you're getting the error message frequently, you might have disabled the permission. Now in here, you will be able to see multiple options. If you see can't allow access to camera, so you can simply go to camera, and from here you can customize the permission. Suppose you are getting that issue while trying to record a video through an Instagram, go to Instagram. So from here, make sure that the camera access for Instagram is allowed. Now again go back. Similarly, you can check for other apps such as TikTok or Spotify or Snapchat. So make sure that the camera is allowed to all these apps. Now again go back. If you're having issue with microphone as well, tap on microphone, and similar with that, tap on any apps that are getting that problem. Suppose I have problem with Instagram, tap on Instagram, and in here again make sure that the permission is allowed. Now again go back. Similarly, you can do with all the other apps as well. Now again go back. If you're having problem with the photos and videos access, tap on photos and videos. From here again select the apps where you are getting that error, and from here make sure that you have allowed the permission. So this is how you can simply fix can't allow access to camera, microphone, photos on your Android device. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching again. I will see you on next video.